Hello, 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 Saladmaster lovers! First of all, I would like to thank you for supporting our business page and for fully supporting and watching me during my cooking shows. Nakaka-encourage po kayo whenever I see your comments, your likes, and yan po yung mga direct messages nyo sa akin. Thank you so much po for supporting our business page. Thank you to all our virtual clients po na nag-avail ng free virtual cooking show. Now, I'm inviting you all to please avail our free virtual cooking shows pa din po. You can directly message us at our Saladmaster business page, Saladmaster Lover by Balingit, or just contact me at 0922-897-5209 or 0906-403-8402. And please follow us dun sa YouTube channel po namin, which is Balingit, Amazing Lutuan. Hashtag Saladmaster Lover para marami pa po kayong matutunan ng new recipes. We also conduct every weekends free virtual culinary. And for those naman who wants to have a free Saladmaster item, just direct message me. And we also offer some online business opportunity. Wag po kayong mahiya kasi libre po ito. Pati po ang cooking show, wala po kayong commitment. All you need to do is to just message me and experience the virtual healthy cooking. You will be amazed. So thank you very much po and keep safe. God bless everyone. Bye!